Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how can you create a content for YouTube. In my previous video I showed you that I showed you the preview of the content we are going to make today. So without wasting a time, um, first of all, you will need a design, and then I'm going to show you the steps you need to follow. So we are going to create a design first because we are going to content like a slider type of content. To create a design, go to figma.com. It is one of the best free tool online. So once you go there, if you have not already created an account, create an account, then create a canvas, blank canvas. So once you are in the canvas, uh, let me see, you can create a rectangle. Make sure the dimension is exactly as 1414 into 600. So once you create this rectangle, if you do not know how to, then go to here, drag this thing, or if you don't want to drag it, just come here, type 1414 into 1600. Once you create the rectangle like this, because I'm going to create a simple graphic design. Let's say I want to create a slider for a beautiful cats, 5 most beautiful cats. So definitely we will need an image. So for image I'm going to use unsplash.com. It is one of the best website for royalty free images. So I'm going to type cats here, hit enter. Let's pick this one, copy image, come here, paste it here. I'm going to decrease the size a little bit. This is our one image. Let me pick another one, copy image, paste it here. Let me decrease the size a little bit. Let me do the steps. Okay, copy this one, come here and paste it. We got 3 images, and let's to make this video short, I'm going with 3 images. Okay, let's create a video with the 3 most beautiful cats in the world. Now I want to make sure that the dimension of these 3 images are exactly as 1414 into 600. So what I'm going to do is just pick the image here. Okay, make sure that our rectangle canvas and this image are in center. If you do not know how to make it center, just select both of them, come here and click on this align horizontal center, and also align vertical centers, so it will center the image and the rectangle. After that, make sure the image is in front. Okay, always make sure the image is in front. But before I'm going to do that, I will copy this because we need 3 of them. So I'm going to copy this 1 and 2. So let me center it again. Now just select both of them, right click and use as mask. Okay, click on this. So as you can see that now our image dimension, like this is the dimension, it's 1414 into 600. We are going to do the same for these 2 images. Let me decrease the size a little bit, select both of them, click on these tools, go here and use, I'm clicking right click here. Okay, then use as mask. So oops, so we got 2 images here, and do the same with the 3rd image. Just decrease the size a little bit, center it, and then right click and use as mask. So we get 3 images. And of course, if you want to add the text, you can also add the text, whatever you want to call it, like number 1 or number 2, whatever you want to do it. It's up to you, it's just a design. So since we have the images, Now our next step will be to export these images to a software that can make this static images into slider. So that will be our next step. I'm going to cover that in the next video, but before I go, I just want to show you the images that I used, in my preview video. I use these images. These are total of 58 images. As you can see that this is the canvas, the rectangle. Its dimension is 1414 into 600, and this is another rectangle with the black color. This is the name of this place, the place image itself, the country, the height of this structure in meters and in feet, the year in which this structure was built, the location, and the category. So it depends on you how creative you are in creating a design. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm going to show you in the next video how can you convert these static images into a slider using a software. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video.